Welcome to this tutorial on Enable-PSRemoting. In this video, you'll learn how to configure computers for remote PowerShell access. This is an essential skill for system administrators who need to manage multiple computers across a network. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand what PowerShell Remoting is, how to enable it, and how to verify that it's working correctly. PowerShell Remoting is a technology that allows you to run PowerShell commands on remote computers over the network. It uses the WS-management protocol, which is a secure and standardized way to communicate between computers. This means you can sit at your desk and execute commands on servers or workstations anywhere in your network without physically accessing those machines. It's like having a direct command line connection to every computer you manage. Before you can enable PowerShell Remoting, you need to meet a few requirements. First, you must have administrator privileges on the target computer that you want to configure. Second, ensure there's network connectivity between your computer and the target machine. Third, PowerShell version 3.0 or higher must be installed. And fourth, Windows Firewall needs to be properly configured to allow the necessary traffic. Most modern Windows systems already meet these requirements. The basic command to enable PowerShell Remoting is simply Enable-PSRemoting. You run this command on the computer that you want to configure for remote access. This single command performs multiple configuration tasks automatically. It's important to run this command in an elevated PowerShell session, meaning you need to open PowerShell as an administrator. The command will prompt you for confirmation before making changes. When you run Enable-PSRemoting, several things happen automatically. First, it starts the WinRM service, which stands for Windows Remote Management. Second, it configures this service to start automatically whenever the computer boots up. Third, it creates a listener that accepts incoming connections over HTTP. And fourth, it configures the necessary firewall exceptions to allow remote PowerShell traffic. All of these steps are required for remote access to work properly. There are two common parameters you'll often use with this command. You can use Enable-PSRemoting with the -force parameter. You can also use -SkipNetworkProfileCheck, or you can combine both parameters together. These parameters modify how the command behaves and help you handle specific scenarios. Let's look at what each parameter does. The -force parameter suppresses all confirmation prompts, allowing the command to run without any user interaction. This is useful when you're automating the setup process or configuring multiple computers. The -SkipNetworkProfileCheck parameter is important when you're on a public network. By default, PowerShell Remoting won't enable itself on public networks for security reasons. This parameter overrides that safety check. Use it carefully and only when you're certain about your network security. After enabling PowerShell Remoting, you should verify that it's working correctly. Use the test-wsman command to check if the WinRM service is responding. This command will return configuration information if everything is set up properly. You can also check the WinRM service status directly using get-service WinRM. This will show you whether the service is running and set to start automatically. If both commands return successful results, your computer is ready for remote PowerShell connections.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.